This week's challenge was motion. I tried to capture a dragonfly in motion, but the best I could do was him on a blade of grass. Then I found this bee with his head stuck in his work, and I thought to myself, you know, bees' wings are in motion. Does that count? So we're going to edit this photo today. Hey, I'm excited about photography, and I hope you are too. So let's learn together. Motion, and the subject being the bee in this particular case, is where we're going to focus all of our energy here. This photo, as we do with all the other photos, is we're going to correct it and go to a basic and get our auto correction done right off the bat, just to get us look, see what we have. It's not too bad. Just back a little bit. I think I might want to go into color. Let's do some dramatic here a little bit. Yeah. So I like the flowers to be brought up, but I also like the reflection in the background. The reflection in the background shouldn't really deter from the subject, which happens to be the bee. Well, let's get a little closer with that bee, in fact, and let's crop this down. There's a couple of things I could do here. I could take this and kind of bookend with the flowers left and right, or I could go in a little deeper here and get that bee right in that third, which would still bookend it between these two here. That's not bad, actually. Let's take a look, see what that looks like. That's actually not bad. I like that. Maybe a little vignetting in. Focus everybody's attention to the center. Now it's interesting. Am I looking up at the sky? Or is that the reflection of the sky in the water? It's kind of hard to tell, right? It's interesting. Maybe it's on top of a mountain. It's actually water. I know this, but I still like that photo. That's pretty good. Not sure if there needs to be much else done. Back to basics. Like to see if we pull this over, we lose some of that. I'm gonna bring the bee out. Maybe make the size a little smaller. I'm gonna go the opposite way with that. There was a way to reverse this. Auto mask. I'm going to bring that out. Let's bring it back to the auto exposure here. I could do big size here. Too big. Not good. Back out. Just want to see what this looks like if I do something like that. Oh, that's horrible. A little too dark. Let's bring that back out. Nope, still don't like it. Putting the highlights on, see what happens here. It's alright. Bring the shadows down further, we're going to darken that out. Well, you can't see the wings blowing there. You can't see him flittering, but you can tell he's hovering. That's the best I can do for motion. And otherwise, I think the photo looks pretty good. I might even leave that ant sitting right there. Okay, that's it for this video, and thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, smash that like button. I post a weekly video, so be sure not to miss next week's video by hitting that subscribe button and that notification bell. Feel free to leave a comment below, and we'll see you next week.